Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the pouch and items. Look for pinholes and wipe the seal track clean. Next, place flat items one at a time so they sit evenly. Avoid sharp corners. Once done, align the two zipper rails exactly and press from one side to the other with steady pressure. Make sure to leave a small air pocket if you'll float it. This prevents full submersion collapse and helps buoyancy while keeping contents dry. You now perform the double lock. Run the main zip fully, then slide the secondary lock along the seam to compress it. If the pouch has a roll top or extra flap, fold once or twice and clip the buckle. This reduces pressure on the zipper. Once secured, gently press to expel trapped air or leave a small pocket for flotation depending on need. Then test for leaks by breathing into the pouch or placing a tissue inside. This simple check saves you a major mishap. You finish with a final wet test and secure attachment. Briefly dip the closed pouch under shallow water and watch for bubbles. Any sign of air escape means a leak. Make sure the lanyard or tether is fastened to you or your gear so the pouch won't drift away. If you discover moisture, remove electronics immediately, dry both pouch and contents, and reseal or switch to a backup bag. For safety, carry a spare small waterproof pouch to avoid.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.